What's flying in the sky? Can you see it? Let's find out. Wow! Look at this helicopter. Helicopter. A helicopter can fly in place. Up, down, and hover. Helicopter. Wow! This is an airplane. A-I-R-P-L-A-N-E. An airplane flies through the sky. Zoom. Airplane. Whoa! This is a jet plane. J-E-T-P-L-A-N-E. A jet plane flies very fast. Zoom. Jet plane. Wow! This is a hot air balloon. A hot air balloon floats up into the sky. Up, up, and away. Wow! This is a drone. D-R-O-N-E. A drone can fly in any direction. Up, down, left, right. Drone. Wow! This is a rocket. R-O-C-K-E-T. 3, 2, 1. Blast off. A rocket blasts off into space. Wow! This is a glider. G-L-I-D-E-R. A glider soars silently through the sky. No engine, just the wind. Glider. Wow! This is a cargo plane. C-A-R-G-O-P-L-A-N-E. A cargo plane carries very heavy things. It flies through the sky with big loads. Cargo plane. Wow! This is a rescue helicopter. It flies over the ocean. A rescue helicopter can land on water. It floats like a boat. Rescue helicopter. Wow! This is a space shuttle. A space shuttle travels into space. Up, up, up. Space shuttle. Great job, little explorers. Today we learned about amazing flying objects. See you next time in Flying World.